how to make a bootable pendrive using command prompt. So hello guys, welcome back to this quick tutorial video. Today I will show you that how you can create a pendrive bootable using command prompt. Let's get started. So first of all, you will have to insert the USB which you want to make bootable, and then simply you have to open the command prompt as an administrator. So to open command prompt as an administrator, you will have to type CMD in the source field and go for the option run as administrator. So simply click on it. So now we are in the command prompt and we will have to type some commands truly step by step. So don't miss anyone. So like I will give the commands in the comment section below. So let's get started. So first of all, you will have to type dixpart and enter. And then you have to type list dix to see all the connected drivers here. So list dix. And then find your USB drive by its size and then type select dix. Select dix. Like in my case, I will select one. So now Dix 1 is selected. So after that, you will have to format and prepare the USB for boot. So after that, you will have to format and prepare the USB for bootable. So simply follow these steps. First of all, you have to type clean and then type partition primary. And you will have to type click partition 1. And you will have to type format fs is equal to NTFS and quick. So now it's completed. Now you have to type active here and then assign. It's successfully assigned. And then you have to type exit, leaving the disk part. And that's it. Your USB is now bootable and ready to install Windows. And the security feature of your USB or pendrive is also upgraded. So if this was helpful to you, please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tech tutorials. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.